All right, traders, watch this video for August 1st, which will be Thursday. Scoot this down a little bit here. Showing you the SPY. Now, most of you in chat know I had a family matter and had to leave after the morning. I had already told you guys I'm not a big fan of trading post FOMC because for me, the chaos is usually pretty unpredictable and moves can be exaggerated and so on. And I would just rather say, you know what, I can trade on Thursday morning and the FOMC chaos will be behind me. And so I took a couple trades today, not a very big day, but a couple small trades, and it was what I had predicted before too, just pure dead market up until the FOMC. But if you go to intraday on the SPY, I get a text from Wayne. SPY probably looked like this by the time I got a text from Wayne. He said, man, stuff always happens when you leave. I said, what's up? He said, the Dow's down like 400 points. And I texted back, I said, watch for shape on the SPY, right? Because it's one of my favorite plays when the overall market's getting slapped. I usually look to, maybe something like 1 minute candles, and man, when I got home, that's pretty. That's that accelerating shape. Notice the range of each of these 1 minute candles, and then notice the range of this one compared to the 3 or 4 or 5 preceding it. Notice the volume climbing up when the price and volume stick look like they're reaching out to each other. It's a great way to play a reversal, and had a pretty darn nice reversal from there. But by the time I said that, I said I'm probably too late because he'd already typed back, well, now the Dow's only down 300. So, I figured he probably missed the bounce from the SPY. But that's kind of my go-to when the market's tanking. I wasn't around for it, but it's behind us now, and we can get back to trading post FOMC. So what am I going to be watching tomorrow? Macy's kind of caught my attention, the letter M, because a little extra volume here, and it's kind of flagging after breaking out of this 2-month range. I don't know, a little over a week ago, it's kind of flagging, but I didn't find Macy's in a vacuum. What made me look at Macy's was Nordstrom's, which is JWN, which had a really nice volume day today, a nice little breakout over a month's worth of trading. So I put JWN and M both on watch. A lot of times those run together. VLRX, also want to watch that one. This isn't real pretty, but it gapped up on big volume yesterday, topped out right around 3, and then today kind of a quiet day, but you know what, closing near its highs on that week tape, so I still like this over 3. SLDB, to me, this is still flagging. No trades in it today. Volume kind of dropped off, but it's still interesting to me over this flag. NAK, believe it or not, I kind of like this one. You had this big day yesterday, and then today you had a quiet inside day. A lot of times you get a third day move, so I want to watch that one. Dish, another red day. I don't have here, I got a smaller version of the daily chart that I can slide up here. Look at that, all these red days right down into the 200 day. I don't have a 200 day on this bigger chart, that's why I'm sliding this one over. So really good bounce play candidate for tomorrow. It was on Bounce Watch today, but never broke its early high. I do love the fact that it's basically down to the 200 day now. It makes me like it as a bounce play much more tomorrow. Lumber liquidators, a little bit of a bottoming tail. Let me pan out here. You can see this thing. It's fallen pretty quickly to take out really any recent low, but a lot of times when that happens, when it comes a decent amount to get to, what you'd call a breakdown area, a lot of times you get a snapback bounce. So I do want to watch that tomorrow. I think there's a lot of shorts in that name, but so far they're winning, right? AMKR, big pop yesterday, quiet inside day today, kind of staying in the upper half of yesterday's range, looking for a third day play there. NOA, just a relative strength play, right? Look at the volume, look at the strength in today's ugly tape, so we want to watch that one. Quad, another relative strength play, nice breakout today on strong relative volume, closing pretty strong. And then ACCO, same thing, relative strength. So there's kind of 3 relative strength plays, a couple bounce plays, and a couple potential longs. And that's it. You know what? I'm not going to babble much today. I did enough of that yesterday. Just glad to have FOMC behind us, and we'll see you all in the morning. Have a great night.